Formula for solving quadratic equation. So there is one formula for solving quadratic equation, and so how that formula comes, that look first. Okay, we all know the general form of quadratic equation. So what is the general form of quadratic equation? And ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so divide both side by a. So when we dividing it by a, then we get ax square upon a plus bx upon a plus c upon a 0 upon a. Then a get cancelled. So x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a is equal to 0 upon a is 0. So add and subtract b upon 2a square on LHS. So when we are adding and subtracting by b upon 2a bracket square, okay. So x square plus b upon a x plus b upon 2a bracket square minus b upon 2a bracket square plus c upon a is equal to 0. Now this term what is? Look, see this a square b upon ax plus b upon 2a square. Now we all know a plus b bracket square formula. So what is that? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So for that here write a square means what? A means what? X, and b means b upon 2a. b upon 2a bracket square. First a square, then x square plus 2 multiplied by ab means x multiplied by b upon 2a plus b square. So b upon 2a bracket square. So this we written as this 2 to get cancelled. X square plus b upon ax plus b upon 2a bracket square. So this term is nothing but x plus b upon 2a bracket square minus b upon 2a bracket square plus c upon a is equal to 0. So look, before bracket minus sign is, so that plus become minus. So write this is x plus b upon 2a bracket square minus b upon 2a bracket square minus c upon a is equal to 0. Now x plus b upon 2a bracket square minus b square upon 2 square is 4, a square is a square minus c upon a is equal to 0. Now here denominator not same, so cross multiply it. X plus b upon 2a bracket square minus ab square minus 4a square c upon 4a cube. This a square and a cube is equal to 0. Now here what common? A is common. Here is a, here is a. So a take common. What remain now? B square minus 4ac upon 1a taking na common. So here 4a square is equal to 0. Now this a goes on, this multiplying a goes on dividing a. So that become 0. So what remain here now? X plus b upon 2a bracket square minus b square minus 4ac upon 4a square is equal to 0. That multiplying a goes on dividing a, and that becomes 0. So next step is this minus goes on here plus, no? So x plus b upon 2a bracket square is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Okay, so that x plus b upon 2a is equal to, that square goes on under root, so plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2, plus or minus b square minus in root b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. So x is equal to minus this term become minus b upon 2a plus or minus now b square minus 4ac upon. So in root b square minus 4ac upon 4a square, that in root 4a square become 2a, na? Root 4 is 2 and a square is a. So here is 2a, here is 2a. So we return x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is the formula for solving the quadratic equation. Practice set 2.4, question number 1. Compare the given quadratic equation to the journal form and write the values of a, b, c. Now here first equation is x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now comparing x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0 with standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then a is equal to what here? 1. B is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 5. Now second question is 2m square is equal to 5m minus 5. So 2m square minus 5 plus minus 5m plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the standard form. So comparing 2m square minus 5m plus 5 is equal to 0 with standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 5. Next question is y square is equal to 7y. So y square minus this plus 7y goes on minus 7y is equal to 0. Now here one term not is, c term not is. So we return y square minus 7y plus 0 is equal to 0. So comparing y square minus 7y plus 0 is equal to 0 with standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 0. Question number 2 is solve the following quadratic equation using formula method. In that first question is x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 5. Okay. Now first find b square minus 4ac. B square is 6 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by 5. So 6 square is 36 minus 5 4s are 20 36 minus 20 is 16. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is 16. Now, our formula for finding quadratic equation is what? X is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. So, b square minus 4ac, that we find 16. So, here put values. Minus b means b is 6. So, minus 6 plus or minus root 16, b square minus 4ac is 16 upon 2a. 2 multiplied by a is 1. So, x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus root 16 is 4 upon 2. So that we return x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 upon 2 and x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. So here x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 upon 2 and x is equal to minus 10 upon 2. So x is equal to, here is minus 1 and x is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, minus 5. Therefore, minus 1 and minus 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now second question is x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 2. Now find b square minus 4ac first. B square minus 4ac is equal to, b square is minus 3 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is minus 2. So 3 square is minus 3 square is 9 minus 4 into 2 8 minus 8. This minus plus is 17. So b square minus 4ac is 17. Now x is equal to, our formula for finding quadratic equation is x is equal to minus b plus or minus in root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b is that minus sign and minus 3. Plus or minus in root b square minus 4ac is 17 upon 2a. 2 multiplied by a is 1. So x is equal to that minus plus. So 3 plus or minus root 17 upon 2. So we return x is equal to 3 plus root 17 upon 2 and x is equal to 3 minus root 17 upon 2. Here plus or minus, na? So first write plus, then write minus. Therefore 3 plus root 17 upon 2 and 3 minus root 17 upon 2 is the root of given quadratic equation. Third question is 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0. Now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then a is equal to 3 b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 7. So first find b square minus 4ac. So b square is 2 square minus 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 7. So 2 square is 4 minus 4 3s are 12 into minus 7. Therefore 4 plus 12 sevens are 84 and that minus minus plus. So 88. B square minus 4ac is 88. Now x is equal to minus b plus or minus in root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x is equal to minus b is 2. So minus 2 plus or minus in root 88 upon 2 multiplied by 3. So x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 88 upon 2 3s are 6. So x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus that root 88 we written like this also, na? 4 multiplied by 22. Okay. Now root 4 we written as 2, na? So minus 2 plus or minus root 4 is 2 in root 28. Okay. Upon 6. Now x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So root 22 upon 3. So x is equal to minus 2 plus root 22 upon 3 and x is equal to minus 2 minus root 22 upon 3. So minus 2 plus root 22 upon 3 and minus 2 minus root 22 upon 3 is the root of given quadratic equation. Question number 4 is 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equal to 0. Now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 2. Now first find b square minus 4ac. So b square is minus 4 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 5 multiplied by minus 2. C is minus 2. So minus 4 square is 16 minus 5 4s are 20 multiplied by minus 2. So 20 multiplied by 2 is 40 and that minus minus plus. So 16 plus 40 is 56. So b square minus 4ac is 56. Now next is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x is equal to minus b is minus 4 plus or minus b square minus 4ac is 56 upon 2 multiplied by a is 5. X is equal to here minus minus plus. So plus 4 plus or minus root 56 upon 2 5s are 10. X is equal to plus 4 plus or minus here is 56. So factorize this number like 1 is root and 1 is another number. So we multiply 4, 14 4s are 56. So here is root 4 we written as 2 upon 10. X is equal to plus 4 plus or minus 2 root 4 is we written 2 root 14 upon 10. Now x is equal to, now here 2 get common, na? So 2 in bracket 2 plus or minus root 14 upon 10. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So x is equal to 2 plus or minus root 14 upon 5. Therefore x is equal to 2 plus root 14 upon 5 and x is equal to 2 minus root 14 upon 5. Therefore, 2 plus root 14 upon 5 and 2 minus root 14 upon 5 is the root of given quadratic equation. Question number 5 is y square plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2. Now first y square plus 1 upon 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 upon 3 and c is equal to minus 2. Okay. So first find b square minus 4ac is equal to b square is 1 upon 3 square minus 4ac. 4 multiplied by a is 1 and c is minus 2. So 1 upon 9, 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 3 square is 9. So minus 4 2s are 8 and minus minus plus. So plus 8 is equal to, now here is 1. So cross multiply it. 1 plus 9 8s are 72 upon 9 is equal to 73 upon 9. So b square minus 4ac is 73 upon 9. Next is x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore x is equal to minus b is 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 plus or minus b square minus 4ac is 73 upon 9 upon 2 multiplied by a. A is 1. So x is equal to minus 1 upon 3 plus or minus 73 upon 9 is, so root 1 upon 9 multiplied by root 73 na, like this, 73 upon 9 like this also na. So root 1 upon 9 is what? 2 ones are 2. X is equal to minus 1 upon 3 plus or minus root 1 upon 9 is 1 upon 3. 9 is a 3 square, so 1 upon 3 into 70 root 73 upon 2. Now in this 1 upon 3 is common, so x is equal to 1 upon 3 in bracket minus 1 plus or minus root 73 upon 2. Now this 3 is denominator na, so x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 73 upon this 3 here. So 3 multiplied by 2. X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 73 upon 3 to the 6. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6 and x is equal to minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6 is the root of given quadratic equation. Sixth question is 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 5, b is equal to 13 and c is equal to 8. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to, b square is 13 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 5 multiplied by c is 8 is equal to 13 square is 169 minus 4 5s are 20. 20 multiplied by 8 is 169 minus 160 is equal to 9. 169 minus 160 is 9. Therefore b square minus 4ac is 9. X is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x is equal to minus b is minus 13 plus or minus b square minus 4ac is 9. So root 9 upon 2a. 2 multiplied by a is 5. Therefore x is equal to minus 13 plus or minus root 9 is 3 upon 5 to the 10. So x is equal to minus 13 plus 3 upon 10 and x is equal to minus 13 minus 3 upon 10. Now x is equal to minus 10 upon 10, minus 13 plus 3 is minus 10 and x is equal to minus 16 upon minus minus plus, so minus 16 upon 10. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, minus 8 upon 5. Minus 1 and minus 8 upon 5 is the root of given quadratic equation. Question number 3 is, with the help of flowchart given below, solve the quadratic equation x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 using the formula. Here one flowchart is given and by using this flowchart you have to solve this equation. So first what? Find the values of a, b, c by comparing x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So first step is what? Step 1. Comparing equation x square 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 root 3, c is equal to 3. Step 2 is find the value of b square minus 4ac. So, b square minus 4ac is equal to 2 root 3 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 3. So, 2 root 3 square is 2 square is 4 multiplied by root 3 is 3. So minus 4 3s are 12. So 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Next third step is what? Write the formula for solving the quadratic equation. So step 3 is, formula is what? X is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Step 4 is substitute the values in the formula and solve. So step 4, so our formula is this. So x is equal to minus b means 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 plus or minus, here is b square minus 4ac is 0 upon 2 multiplied by a is 1. So x is equal to minus 2 root 3 upon 2. This 2 to get cancelled. Therefore x is equal to minus root 3. Now here b square minus 4ac is 0. Therefore the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore the roots are real and equal. Understand?